headset on Xbox One. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva is back with a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Bluetooth headset to your Xbox console. The process is super simple, guys, so let's get started. First step, go to settings up here at the top, that gear icon. Press the button on your controller. Go to this menu here, scroll down and click on Devices and Connections. Then click the first option, Controllers and Headsets. The controller will appear here by default to configure. Press right here to see this option. Connect a device, click the A button and choose the last option, Xbox Wireless Headset. Press A and hold the power button for 4 seconds. Guys, until the console pairs with the headset. So here guys, the power button. Here's an example. Hold the power button on your headset for 4 seconds. Then press the pair button on your console. The same button you use to pair a wireless controller. Then the light will start flashing. When the headset and console connect, both lights stop flashing and your Xbox headset is paired. You can also turn on the Xbox with your headset if they're already paired. Did it work? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's it. Big hug. Stay blessed. Thanks.